Hello, let's take a look at how one puts the stills up into your video. So when you get started on Flipgrid and you want to make your post, yes, this will come up, right? And we can take a look at the video options. We're going to just do with me talking, right? So we're going to go back to here. And this is your photo sticker where you can add a JPEG. Desktop. And it's one of the screenshots. Let's see. This, and then you can move it over here. And if I were to, whoops, I always moved the wrong direction. There we go. You can make this as big as you need it to be for the video. And then you can go ahead and start to talk. Now, the other thing you could do, if you had a couple different stages, right, you could go get a second one. I don't have another screenshot of that. I have this. I did a painting, not recently. This is from a while back. Anyway, you can put up multiples and they'd all like stack up and you wouldn't see the next one necessarily. And then when you, I'm going to do it again. There we go. Then when you go to talk, you can see you and you can see the work. So then you would just hit record and wait and talk. And there we go. So you have up to your 3 minutes on this, and you could then either delete or move so you could see a second version under here and talk about it. And yeah, so that's the best way to like see what's going on in your screen and see you and do it really easily on the Flipgrid. You could also do a screencast just of your Adobe Illustrator in a Quicktime and then upload the video. So 2 options. Yeah, give that a go. See how it works.